Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? And I hope you're all well. Welcome to my channel, and we're going to discover RareMint today. So some of you might already know it, asset-backed NFT. So they create NFTs that are digitally created from authentic real-world sports collectibles. With access to over $350 million worth of sports memorabilia, they produce iconic sports assets, and through a proprietary digitization process, they create a 3D photorealistic digital version that becomes the NFT. So every one-to-one ultra NFTs is an asset-backed NFT, such that the owner of the NFT is also the owner of the real sports collectibles held in custody for them in the secure vault. So that does absolutely sound fantastic. They offer authentic real-world sports collectibles assets and create a digital experience of those collectibles through asset-backed NFTs. And that's something we don't see that often in the NFT space, the asset-backed NFT. We have a short introductory video right in here which you can check out. Also all the tabs on the top with what is RareMint, ecosystem, asset creation, token economics, roadmap, and sign up. So that's all the tabs we have in here in order to maneuver a bit easier on the web page. Right, but what is the goal of RareMint? Well, they want to disrupt the sports collectibles market and widen access to iconic sports memorabilia and to a growing fan base. And I think that is quite lovely to see. Everything is moving online now, so why not sports collectibles? I think that's a great way, and that way you don't need the room to actually keep it all. It's just right there safely in a vault waiting for you. It's still yours and you can still sell it if you'd like, but you don't need to have it on you, and that's absolutely fantastic. Their marketplace will also be opening in March, so that's very soon. A private beta in the metaverse will be open to the public, offering in March as well. So yeah, RareMint is positioned to be the collectible cornerstone for the next generation of buyers, investors, and collectors, and I can see why. They have been probably the first ones to get that idea, and they have acted upon it, and that's absolutely fantastic because there's quite a lot of money in that field, I would say. The application ecosystem include the vaulting, so that means storing, insure, and protect the physical assets, and this also allows for seamless, fast resale without putting the physical asset at risk. And again, you know, when you're reselling your stuff, if it's authentic and whatnot, probably old as well, vintage, that may break or damage itself, you eliminating that risk with vaulting. So the authentication, so they authenticate an asset as it is onboarded to the RareMint network and store the asset's unique physical fingerprint. The marketplace where all RareMint asset drops are initially offered for sale and can be traded on secondary markets such as OpenSea along with the own marketplace. One-to-one NFT, so each RareMint NFT, a one-to-one NFT unlocks an immersive content connection, provenance, and ownership of the physical asset in the RareMint vault. And lastly, the DeFi services. So taking rewards loans against a user's vaulted asset, a bid pooling, and beyond asset appreciation, one-to-one asset owners and earn royalties. So yeah, there's quite a lot to it. So starting with the vaulting the physical assets. So once the physical asset are minted, the NFTs they are sent to the vault, a highly secure storage location where the assets are sealed and protected. So every 90 days, the vault is publicly audited to demonstrate your assets are safe, and that's absolutely fantastic. As the ultra rare NFT are bought and sold, the physical asset remains vaulted, and physical asset owner is always the person in possession of the ultra rare NFT. So that's definitely something really bearing in mind. There's also the aspect of the procurement of collectibles. So rare sport memorabilia are accessed through the network of collectors and from their own private inventory, with a price point ranging from $10,000 to $1 million per collectible. They select pieces that represent a strong market interest and deliver a unique story behind the assets themselves. About the NFT creation itself, so each physical asset is photographed hundreds of times in a 12K resolution, through the custom 3D process to capture the photorealistic display of the asset. It has never been seen before. These details become viewable due to the specialized lighting technique that they are using, and once the digital rendering is complete, they mint the Ultra 1-to-1 NFTs, which become available on the marketplace for public sale. The limited edition NFTs are also available, which are commemorative of the Ultra 1-to-1 NFT, but without ownership of the real-world collectibles. This enables the broader community to collect and own assets that would otherwise not be available. So the NFTs will be available on Ethereum, Arbitrum and Polygon, and can be purchased using the Ethereum credit card, debit card, or the Mint token after the token generation event, of course. And yeah, redeeming physical asset is super easy. At any time, the ultra rare asset owner can take possession of their physical asset through the redemption process. The 1-to-1 NFT is returned and the asset is removed from their vault and shipped to the owner. It's that simple. You bought it, you of course own it, and that's definitely something worth bearing in mind. That's what I've been saying about the asset creation. We can see the jersey of Michael Jordan 1989-1990, a game used jersey, and you can have it as an NFT, and of course it will be yours in the vault. It's also signed right there. So that's a kind of memorabilia that we are gonna get, and that's absolutely fantastic. And the best news is that you don't even need to own it if you don't want it. If you just buy it to flip it, then you can keep it in that vault and sell it as NFT, but you can also get it for yourself, so you can buy it and then get it shipped, and it will be shipped to you absolutely easy and no hustle whatsoever. The RareMint token economics, so they include purchase, stacking, governance and farming. With the purchase, mints are intended to be used as a primary utility token on the network to allow users to purchase RareMint drops, and there will be a fee capture model on the marketplace, and the fee capture will be configurable via the governance. The RareMint DAO will be funded via the network treasury. The DAO will work in partnership with the largest network participants to seed funding for create certain assets, acquisition, ecosystem project development, grant programs and incentive-based events. So the ecosystem participants can decide on the operation and future development on the network. The stacking is quite a nice add-on. Incentivize LPs by providing a lucrative stacking contract to earn more mints for actively supporting the project. And lastly, the farming, and you can farm your mint LP tokens to earn RareMint trophies. The trophies are an additional reward token that unlocks exclusive purchasing opportunities and are exchangeable for exclusive RareMint NFT assets. I would also like to mention quickly the ERC20 token, the mint. Again, so shortly after the marketplace launches in March, the token sale will occur, giving the community the opportunity to purchase the mint token at that point. Ownership of the token has quite some benefits. That includes the access to exclusive NFTs available only for token holders. Also the DAO, the voting, determining which assets the community fund purchases, stacking, just earn rewards, and the farming, you earn RareMint trophies through liquidity pools, which become redeemable for exclusive NFTs, live sport events, and athletes events. So I can see plenty of athletes actually working together with RareMint in the future, and having an NFT would definitely open some doors for, you know, meeting some of your favorite athletes. So imagine you buying a ultra NFT, but in addition, just to getting the memorabilia, you also get, to talk with your favorite sports player. It can be any sports as well, that you have the NFT. Of course, everyone can find something for themselves. And the roadmap is here. They're starting back in Q2 of 2021 with collectible module, light paper, corporate structure, marketplace and website. Also the seed raise, NFT contract, marketplace private beta, and ERC20 contract has started in Q3, took place in Q3, and Q4 they had the private token pre-sale, the stacking contract, and the security audit. This quarter they are planning the public marketplace, RareMint trophies, governance contracts, asset slicing, and public token sale. Here we also have the news letter right here that you can sign up to, and you will get plenty of great information about the project. I also have an overview of the project in here, authentically original. So that is basically a presentation that is telling us all the information about the whole project. So everything is explained right in here, and that includes all the features, all the NFT, how they are generated, and etc., how they are shot, the assets, the future, and everything, and how everything looks like in terms of timeline, and the roadmaps right here, mint token utility right here. So that's definitely something interesting. As you guys can see, 22% will go to ecosystem, 20 to the team, 16 to rewards, 14 for foundation, 12 for treasury, 4 for seed, 11% for private sale, and 1% for public sale. We have the purchase, stacking, farming, and governing that we have already seen, and here are the founders and the team. So the RareMint team has been working in the blockchain space since 2016 with extensive experience in cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and gaming, and they have worked on a cornerstone projects delivering performant and scalable products to market that have supported millions of users and their diverse and talented team of operators, engineers, collectors, product developers, legal, and marketing brings with them experience as entrepreneurs, executives, and employees and advisors from a wide range of technology companies. And the engineering team has strong experience with full stack development, complex systems, economic modeling, financial engineering, security, and other disciplines related to blockchain and distributed systems. So the team is led by the co-founders Brett Clapp and Nico Hosner right in here. So you have a whole bio about them, and you can read quite a lot of interesting information about them and how they are looking into the project in general. The current investors include GateCap Ventures, RCAP, BK Coin Capital, Crescent City Capital, Sano Capital. So that's absolutely fantastic. There's some big names around them. And yeah, I think that is basically everything I would like to show you. The last thing I would like you to guys do for me is go ahead and follow their social media links with Twitter, Medium, Telegram, Discord, and Instagram. This is crucial for a project like this, and if you are a fan of sports collectibles in general, I am sure you'll find plenty of fantastic information in there for yourself. And yeah, maybe, who knows, you will be one of the ultra rare NFT owners by RareMint. But bear in mind, I am not a financial advisor of any sort, so all the investing you are doing is at your own risk. Please be smart and responsible about your funds, but do let me know what you think about RareMint in general. I think they had a fantastic idea to sell the collectibles as a form of NFT, but they're still asset backed, so they're not just, you know, some fancy pictures. You actually own the item and the NFT, and that is absolutely beautiful because you can redeem that NFT, exchange it for that asset itself, and you know it has the authentic value. And I think that's really important, especially that most of the NFTs that we see on the market, they're just really useless and priceless, really. Right, so if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.